Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Tuesday, February 13th, 2024. Let's find out what's going on the daily time frame chart of the Bitcoin to Tether at Zondacrypto. As you can see, I'm using the daily time frame chart, and straight on you can spot this recent breakout, the breakout that occurred above the level of, let's say, 48,700. So now this level is going to work as a technical support, and there's a beautiful breakout to the upside made on the increased volume. As you can see, the volume has been seen bigger, has been seen increasing during this up move, and look as many candles is here, green candles is here. So that's quite unusual as well. Nevertheless, we hit the level of 50,123 tethers. Now we got even make the last swing high at 50,210, but this candle has not been completed yet. So the situation here is that we are trading most likely above 50,000 tethers. So the outlook remains bullish. The outlook remains exactly as we expected it. If we apply our RSI indicator, we can clearly see that these market conditions are extremely overbought right now. The level is 78, 79 points even. And if you just take a look here at the situation with the RSI, you will be able to see that there is a big bearish divergence building up since the highs at 36,000. So you might say, hey, that's a far-fetched. Nevertheless, there is a decrease in the momentum while the market keeps moving way higher. So sooner or later, this situation must be corrected, because one of these indicators, price or the RSI, is basically wrong. So most likely the wrong is the price, and usually the market goes lower when the movement, when the divergence is just too big to handle for the market participants. So we got this bearish divergence, multi-time frame bearish divergence, right? Nevertheless, please remember that when the market is trending, we can stay overbought, we can stay divergent on the RSI as long as it's necessary, and the market will keep moving higher. So that's not a 100% error-proof indicator. The RSI is. Nevertheless, what do we have here is very nice extension to the upside. We can even place our Fibonacci waves, Elliott wave here. So we got wave 1, wave 2. We are about to complete the wave 4. There was supposed to be some pullback in wave 5, wave 4, and then the wave 5 supposed to be done very soon. So it looks like the last impulsive wave to the upside is about to be completed. There is still some levels that will be hit sooner or later. Let me just show you these levels here. Let's just take a look here, and let me just zoom out as far as I can. There you go. So as you can see, the recent breakout was above the level of 48,700. The next target is, let me just give you the horizontal line so we are on the same page. So the next target is 51,954. So that's the red level. This is the next target for the bulls. This is technical target. This is not the price projection. This is only the technical target. And then the other target is, of course, located a little bit higher because it is roughly around the level of 60,100, and then the other one is just at the top of 68,600 tethers. So as you can see, this movement to the upside is fully impulsive. Now we are finishing the last wave to the upside in the overall impulsive structure. Then ABC corrective pattern needs to be done. And when the corrective pattern, the big corrective pattern, is done, then the market should resume the uptrend even higher. So that's the bigger time frame or different point of view analysis for the Bitcoin to the Tether. Very nice impulsive wave development, very nice increase in the momentum as well. So we can see straight on that this divergence, which is very often taking place between wave 3 and wave 5, is now present on our chart as well. Let me just add one more indicator. It's called awesome oscillator, and the reason why I'm adding this is because I want to just compare the momentum, because the biggest momentum is always during the wave 3. So if we can see here what are the momentums during this movement to the upside, you can see straight on that the wave 3 is supposed to be this one. As you can see now, we've made another swing high, but the momentum here is still below the two previous ones, right? That means the recent move to the upside might be the last wave in the overall impulsive structure. So this might be wave 5, as I said, and when the wave 5 is completed, then the bigger correction is next in line for the Bitcoin to Tether. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.